All right, y'all, so this is what my makeup closet looks like. It is just a bunch of junk. As you can see, I don't know why I have sea salt in here, but I do. And these are all nail polish, shampoos, lotions, the works. So in the top cabinet I have linens. Oh, and my smoke alarm. I know that's not the safest place to keep it, but so yeah, I mean, I don't know if you can tell. My UV lamp, nail polish, more nail stuff. I have hair bleach and products and dye and all kinds of stuff there. And I have more makeup back there. And yeah, so that's what I have. And that's what I need to clean up. Oh my goodness, look at this mess. I'm so glad I did this. It needed to have been done at some point. Lysol wipes. Part is I'm actually organizing, putting all the shampoos and soaps and all the hair products and all the bath products in one, and I'm putting the makeup in another. And then from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to organize everything according to the area, and I decide what stays and what goes. So at this point, I've already organized my makeup brushes and some of my palettes. So next, all I'm doing is organizing the rest of my makeup. Y'all, this is the egg storage container I purchased in my previous video. This is what I was talking about when it came to storing my beauty blenders. I do have way more beauty blenders, but they're brand new and still in a package, and currently still in the shopping bag. And all I'm doing here is going through everything and deciding what stays and what goes. And I'm putting things into different containers so that I can keep better track of what I have. And once I decide what stays and what goes, I put the trash in the trash and the recycle in the recycle. And all I'm doing is arranging the storage bins according to what looks best. And I try different ways and end up settling for a different look or a different placement. But I'm just here just measuring really where I think it fits best. And later I arrange it around where you see it. Alright, y'all, and this is the final outcome of my organized, decluttered beauty closet. If you like this video and would like more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have your support, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.